My daughter and I went to Starbucks. She rode with me to go pick up Loxie's medication from the vet, so we got it. And I decided to try an iced coffee, which I'm not a fan of iced coffee, and I saw this drink like on TikTok and it just looked really good, so I thought I'd try it. And you know what? For an iced coffee, I think it is good, but I just cannot have coffee cold. The taste is there, but it's the temperature that just is not it for me. But I'll just put what I ordered if you guys want to try it, if you're into iced coffee, because I'm gonna tell you that sweet cream, cold cream, or whatever that thing was, it was delicious. And then we also got this tea guava thing. I don't know what this is, but anyways, my niece left earlier this morning, and I wanted to tell you guys that I bought these little bug catcher tools from Dollar Tree. She loved them. We went for a walk and used them. I mean, we collected really gross things, but she enjoyed it. And these are just some of them. The other ones I think are upstairs. But yeah, they're actually really adorable, and for $1, I mean, I would put them on your list if you have little kids who would love to just catch bugs. So I'm gonna set you guys down right here. I look kind of weird. I just forget it. But my daughter has a movie going on in the living room, so if I'm talking a little bit loud, it's just to talk over the movie, because I know this is a new movie-ish and YouTube will flag it. But I have some Amazon stuff I thought I'd share. I haven't even opened it myself, so I don't know. I already forgot what I got. Oh, okay. And in case you're wondering what movie she's watching, is She's the Man. So, alright, so a long time ago, right after the last Halloween, I talked about how I wanted to do like a candy corn theme, and I know it's May, but I have learned throughout like my YouTube career that I have to start thinking and preparing well in advance, especially when it comes to the end of the year, because I feel like that's where I shine the most, or like where I think my channel shines the most when it comes to like seasonal, like, or holiday decorating, you know, fall, Halloween, Christmas. So I have been preparing for it, so just throwing that out there. So I realized that I only bought one of these banners last year. So after Halloween, I realized I wanted to do candy corns, and I found this banner from Amazon, and I only got one, and then I thought, you know what? I think I want to do multiples of these banners, so I got a second one. And then I did order some pillow covers as well, because I am switching up my theme this year. It's going to be a little bit different. And I thought these pillow covers were really cute. So like, look at this one. So that's kind of what I'm going for. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but I feel like these pillows kind of showcase it. Really big prints, but also kind of simple. This little ghost is adorable. And they're just pillow covers, I think 18 by 18. Here is the candy corn. Super cute. And these were pretty inexpensive. I feel like this was like maybe $7. I don't know what it is right now currently, but for a set of 4. And then the little witch's hat. I don't know if I'll end up using the witch's hat downstairs. Maybe I'll use this somewhere else. But I definitely got it for these 3 prints for sure. So I am going to have, like, mixed with candy corns, a little bit of bats, and maybe a little bit of ghosts. And then I have another box down here. Also, while I open this, I did do Uber Eats, or whatever that's called. I ordered from Cotton Patch, which is like one of my favorite restaurants. And so I'm waiting for that. Oh, okay. No, they didn't. This is getting returned ASAP. So this, you're probably like, styrofoam? Like, why'd you order styrofoam? This was actually supposed to be a faux cake. because I'm also going to be decorating the kitchen for summertime. We're going to do a strawberry theme, and I thought about like getting a faux cake and then putting some like faux strawberries around it, but this is just straight up like styrofoam. I thought it was actually a little bit fancier than that, and this was about $10. No, this is getting returned because this is not what it looks like in the picture, and I can buy this at Hobby Lobby for like $4. So I think, and that's the other thing about Amazon Prime, where you can have like free returns. I think it depends on the seller, but that's getting returned, sorry. And then part of the strawberry theme as well, if you watch my kitchen makeover, I have yellow gingham pillows, and I thought, you know what, let's do red gingham pillows for the strawberries. Plus, I also use red in Valentine's Day, 4th of July, and Christmas. So these will all be, I'll really get my money's worth in the kitchen for those pillows. So that's just it. So anyways, that's the little haul, and this is absolutely ridiculous. And I'll link everything down below for you guys, except for this. I'm not linking this because this is ridiculous. Nobody needs to buy this.